Welcome back to the Stackin with Stack podcast. We going all the way in today, guys. Today's going to be about gold investing. Why you should be investing in the gold. We going all the way in today. Buckle up, big stack, Stackin with Stack podcast. Let's turn it up a bit. We going all the way in today, investing in the gold. Let's go.
Like that bitch like she got Nike on her. Look at my receipt dance, look at your bitch, she dance too. Look at me, I'm the man. Percocet don't do Zans, boo. Run up on me, I blam. I got my hand on my ham, oh. Run up on me, I blam. I got my hand on my hammer. You swipe like a credit card scammer. Bad bitch, yeah, I know she's a scammer.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Listen, we going all the way in today, guys. Welcome back to the Stackin with Stack podcast. We going straight in today about gold investing. This is going to be a crazy episode. I appreciate you guys for always listening, always tapping in, always, realizing what type of values on my podcast, right? Look, we've been having some crazy last episodes. This episode, we're going in about gold investing and why you guys should be diving into gold, why you should be investing. If this is your first time listening to this podcast, my name is Stacpack. I own a worldwide digital marketing empire, and I help everybody out on every single platform when it comes to visibility and being seen, right? I'm also heavily invested to NFTs, Web 3.0. I'm also teamed up with some of the biggest brands in the world, such as Bel Air, right? Internet Traffic, XP Mentor, right? I have a whole bunch of partnerships, and that's what it's about when it's time to dive in. It's about partnerships, right? I'm also into the music field. I'm a music producer. I do so much entrepreneurship. I want to take over the whole universe, and that's the energy that I put out there. So look, let's talk about gold and why it's a popular investment, right? It's a lot of different things that you guys can get into to dive into gold. And we're going to be talking about why you should be doing it and why you should be investing into it if you are thinking about investing into gold, right? Gold has been a reliable store of value for thousands of years. And I really want you guys to know that thousands of years that this stuff's been around, right? Where you can invest. And that's what it's about. I think if you can find things to invest into, you will get to the next level. Now, gold is scarce and a precious metal. You guys didn't know that. Now you do. It's precious, valuable, and it goes up over time. And I really want you guys to know that, right? Gold is a hedge against inflation. I really want you guys to know that too. Gold is a safe haven during the times of economic and political uncertainty, right? If everything's feeling shaky and people are not certain about what they're doing, gold is always going to be at a very maintainable level, right? Gold is a tangible asset as well. Gold also has a low correlation with other asset classes as well, which is fire. Which is fire about gold. This is why I'm investing into it now. Gold is a global currency. You guys don't know, gold is a global currency. You can get into it right now and do it. Do it right now. That's a fact. Now, gold is a form of diversification as well. You can diversify your income. You can do anything you want with your income. Gold has a long history of holding its value as well. That's why I said it goes up over time. It has a long value. Gold is always a way to preserve wealth across a lot of different generations as well. You can spread this around different generations, make the money. It's all about making money. You can pass down money and you're going to be gold. Gold is a form of insurance against a systematic risk. I'm telling you, you can have you can have insurance, you can have protection if you invest into gold. Now, gold is a good way to protect against currency and devaluation. I'm telling you right now, you can protect yourself. Invest into gold. Now, gold is a good way to protect against a lot of geopolitical risk as well, which is really important. Now, gold is a good way to protect against market volatility as well. I love that because if you can protect yourself by investing into gold, you'll always get to the next level. I say, man, anything that's an asset or anything that stands out, protect it, right? Now, gold is in a way to protect against failure of financial institutions as well. So, if your bank is not doing so good, you guys got gold, you guys are going to be freaking awesome. Now, gold is a way to protect against cyber attacks as well. You got gold, you can protect yourself against cyber attacks. Gold is a good way to protect against the collapse of a banking system. Like I said, if your banking system is going to shit and you got gold, guess what? You'll be good. Now, gold is a good way to protect against the collapse of a stock market as well. So if a stock market is going down, it's not doing so good, and you have gold, you'll be able to always protect yourself. Now, gold is a way to protect against the collapse of a real estate market as well. Now, all you real estate agents, everyone that's listening, that's a real estate agent on the podcast, right? You can literally protect yourself against the real estate market. Now, gold is a good way to protect against the collapse of the commodity market. Important. Gold is a way to protect against the collapse of a technology market. Every market, right? Gold will be of value. Doesn't matter, guys. Get into the field. Start investing. It's about investing. If you can invest into the best things, you will get to the next level. Now, gold is a good way to protect against the collapse of the healthcare market. That's a fact. Now, I'm going to be getting into some ways that you guys can get ways to invest in the gold, because I'm going all the way in, man. Welcome to the Stackin with Stack podcast. We're going all the way in, right? Now, physical gold coins and bars. Exchange traded funds, gold mining stocks, gold mutual funds, gold options and futures, gold certificates, gold jewelry, right? Gold coins, gold rounds, gold sovereigns, gold American eagles, right? Listen, we can do gold Australian kangaroos, gold South Africans, right? Man, we got so much. Listen, gold South African congruence, gold Chinese pandas, gold bars, gold biscuits, gold nuggets, gold dust, gold scrap. Right? There's so much that you can go in with to even invest into gold. Like, the first things first is to actually find something you really want to do. Find something that you want to invest into, right? Now, gold ETFs that track gold jewelry. Now, ETFs are really important. Now, inclusion to the gold and investment, right? It can be used to protect against a variety of risks, right? You don't want to be at risk. You don't want to be at risk now. Investing is something that's going to really teach you guys, really help you guys maintain at the end of the day. If you guys can invest in the gold, get yourself on top of the wave and get in there, you'll be at the next level. By considering these reasons and the ways to invest in the gold, you can make an informed decision about, the ways to go about gold, to go about your, investment strategy. So get out there, invest in the gold, Stackin with Stack podcast. We're going to come back in with part 2 on how to invest in with gold, but I just wanted to come in hot with that mini audio and let you guys know that it's possible. It's possible to invest in the gold, and I gave you some reasons. Appreciate you guys. Stackin with Stack podcast, the biggest to do it. Black Bottle Boys, Bel Air, Stackpack Media, the largest to do it. You heard? Let's go.
We gon' Harry Potter him, make that little bitch disappear. Got ascended, shining on your bitch, we flip, I wanna fuck her.